Good morning, students. I hope that you all are keeping well, and we have started the chapter, that is chapter number 2, addition and subtraction of two-digit numbers. So we have already studied about the two-digit numbers. Now we will follow up with page number 33, that is subtraction. Subtraction properties. Rule number 1. When 1 is subtracted from a number, we get the number before it. For example, 66 minus 1 is equal to 65. 32 minus 1 is 31. Now see the subtraction fact. As I have told you about the addition fact, similar, only the symbols change, rest of the sense or sentence is the same. For example, 66 minus 1 is 65 is called a subtraction fact. So rule number 2, when 0 is subtracted from a number, we get the same number. For example, 59 minus 0 is equal to 58. 73 minus 0 is 72. Here students, I want to take your attention that please see this. Here 59 minus 0 is 58 and 73 minus 0 is 72. But here the sentence has been written, when 0 is subtracted from the number, we get the same number. So here 59 minus 0 is 59 and 73 minus 0 is 72. It is printed wrong in the book. So you make a correction that 59 minus 0 is 59 and 73 minus 0 is 73. You will get the same answer. Now rule number 3. When a number is subtracted from itself, the answer is 0. For example, 67 minus 67 is 0 and 42 minus 42 is 0. So when the number is subtracted from the same number, definitely the answer will be 0. Now coming to subtraction by backward counting. Please pay attention. Subtraction by backward counting. We cross out a smaller number from a bigger number to subtract. Always remember, we do the subtraction from we cross out a smaller number from a bigger number. A smaller number is subtracted from the bigger number. So now this sign, a sign of minus, is the sign of subtraction. We count backwards to subtract. Subtract 5 from 78. See, 78 is bigger than 5. I have told you in the previous chapter also what is the greater number and what is the smaller number. Ascending order and descending order. So here you can see now backward counting. 78 is bigger than 5. So 5 will be subtracted from 78. To do this, start at 78 and count the numbers backward. So you write the number up to 70 from 80, that is 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So here, now you count the backward. 78 minus 1 is 77. 77 minus 1 is 76. 76 minus 1 is 75. 75 minus 1 is 74. And 74 minus 1 is 73. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 digit has been counted and 78 minus 5 is 73. So 73 is called the difference of 78 and 5. Please see the new words. Difference. What is the meaning of difference? The result we get after subtracting number is called difference. Now subtracting two-digit numbers. Let us recall vertical subtraction. Let us recall vertical subtraction. Subtract 14 from 79. 14 you have to subtract from 79. So step 1, subtract the number under ones. 9 minus 4, here you can see 9 minus 4 is 5, and step 2, subtract the number under tens. You can see here 7 minus 1 is 6. So 79 minus 14 is 65. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 7 minus 1 is 6. So let's see the another exercise, that is mental maths. So here you can see in the middle 25 has been given. So you have to add these numbers to 25. So first column it has been already given, 25 plus 50 is equal to 75. Now 25 plus 25 is 50. 25 plus 35 is 60. 25 plus 40 is 65. 25 plus 60 is 85. 25 plus 15 is 40. 25 plus 5 is 30. I hope you can see it clearly. Now please see. Here what we are doing, fill in the addition and subtraction wheels. Now here you can see 75, and the symbol which has been shown here is this minus. 75 minus 50 is 25, already given. Now you subtract. 75 minus 60 is 15. 75 minus 35 is 40. 75 minus 40 is 35. 75 minus 30 is 45. 75 minus 15 is 60. 75 minus 55 is 20. And 75 minus 25 is 50. 75 minus 55 is 20 and 75 minus 25 is 50. So I hope that you have understood. I have done it for you. Please do it in your books. So now see the exercise. Count backward, add, subtract. 76 minus 4 is 92. 36 minus 8 is 28. 27 minus 9 is 18. So 44 minus 6 is 38. 52 minus 7 is 45. 61 minus 8 is 53. 96 minus 6 is 90. 70 minus 3 is 67. And 17 minus 5 is 12. So please see the exercise I have done, that is given on page number 30 for subtract. And now please see it carefully. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 7 will come as it is. 9 minus 3 is 6 and 4 will remain as it is. 3 minus 3 is 0 and 8 will come as it is. 8 minus 5 is 3 and 5 will come as it is. Now see, 2-digit number. Here we have done 1-digit number, subtracted 1-digit number. Now 2-digit number. You see here. 7 minus 4 is 3 and 5 minus 2 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1 and 6 minus 1 is 5. You draw the line just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now cut 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many lines has been left? 1. So do it like this. Draw the line and just cut it, and then you will know how to do the subtraction. So 6 minus 4 is 2 and 9 minus 2 is 7. So here 5 minus 3 is 2 and 8 minus 5 is 3. So I have done the exercise for you. Please do it in your maths book given on page number 34. Here it has been given on page number 34. So let's move on and see the next exercise on page number 35. Think gap. Now please look carefully. Think cap. Subtract using subtraction properties. 55 minus 1 is 54. 87 minus 0 is 87. 63 minus 0 is 63. 38 minus 1 is 37. 88 minus 88 is 0. 90 minus 0 is 90. 46 minus 1 is 45. 32 minus 1 is 33. Sorry, this is wrong, students. 34 minus 1 is 33. 34. Don't write 32. It is 34 minus 1 is 33. If you will put a sign of plus here, it will become 33, but it is the sign of subtraction. So 34, here you don't write 2, here you write 4. 34 minus 1 is 33. 25 minus 25 is 0. So here, please see subject link. With the help from your teacher, circle the words used for addition in blue and circle the words used for subtraction in green. So this exercise I have done it for you. Total, sum, in all, carry, how many is the words used for addition. I have colored it with blue. And the words used for subtraction in green, that is difference, borrow, how many left, and minus. These are the sign of subtraction. And now can you write a sentence each to below, each to show addition and subtraction. So this I have left for you. Please do it in your book. You can do it easily. Can you write a sentence to each show addition and subtraction? With the blue color, you write the words used for addition, and with the green pencil, you can write it the words used for subtraction. Now subtracting 2-digit numbers with regrouping. So let's recall. Subtraction with regrouping. In a park area, there are 73 bicycles and 49 cars. Many are the bicycles more than a car. So subtract 49 from 73. Now please see the step 1. Compare the number under ones, that is 9 is greater than 3. So the sign you can see here, 9 cannot be subtracted from C. You cannot subtract 9 from 3. So please see here, 73 minus 49. So you take a carry, it will become 13. 13 minus 9 is 4, and here it will be 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. So here see, the step number 2, you don't go for it right now. You fill it, but you see, regroup 73. 7 tens, 3 ones. 7 tens, 3 ones. 6 tens, 1 10, 3 ones. 6 tens, 10 ones, 3 ones. 6 tens, 13 1. So you have added 3 into 10, so it becomes 13 tens. So let's move on. See the step number 3. Step 3, change 3 into 13 under ones and change 7 to 6 under tens. So here the extra box has been given for you. So you cut 3, make it 13. You cut 7, make it 6. When the digit is bigger, you can see here under ones the digit is bigger, greater than 3. So if it will be 1 or 2, you can do the subtraction, but it is 9, it is greater than 3. So you cannot subtract 9 from 3. So it has taken borrow 1 carry 1 to 3, it become 13. 13 minus 9 is 4 and 6 minus 4 is 2. See here. Step 4. Subtract the number under ones. 13 minus 9 is 4. Subtract the numbers under tens. 6 minus 4 is 2. So you will get the answer 24. So 73 minus 49 is equal to 24. In the parking area, bicycles are more than cars by 24. So now here on a Christmas tree there are 42 decorations. There are 7 gift kept at the bottom of the tree. By how many are the decorations more than the gifts? So step 1, compare the numbers under ones. So here also you can see 7 is greater than 2. 7 cannot be subtracted from 2. So see here I have done 42 minus 7 is 35. Now see the regroup, how you will change it. 42, 44 tens and 2 ones. So 4 has given 1, 2, 2. So 3 tens and 1 10, 2 ones. So 3 tens will remain as 3 tens. 1 10 will become 10 ones. 1 plus can count. If 1 tens you will see, so you will write 1 plus 1 10 times. So 1 tens will become 10 ones plus 2 ones. So 3 tens and 12 ones. So let's see the other step. Step number 3. So here you can see the step number 3. See step number 3. Change 2 into 12 under ones. Change 4 into 3 under tens. I have written here 2 has been changed into 12 and 4 has been changed into 3. So 12 minus 7 is 5 and 3 will remain as it is. Step 4. Subtract the number under ones. 12 minus 7 is 5 and subtract the number under tens. 3 minus nothing, that means 0, is equal to 3. So 4 has been changed into 3 and 2 has been changed into 12. So the answer is 35. So 42 minus 7 is equal to 35. The decoration are more than the gifts by 35. So now you can see I have done the exercise for you. I have written 62 minus 9. You cannot subtract 9 cannot be subtracted from 2. So here it will be changed. 6 will give one number to 2. So it will become 12 and it will become 5. So 12 minus 9 is 3 and 5 will come as it is. So here 71 minus 8. So 8 cannot be subtracted from 1. So here 7 will give one part to this number, one number, it will become 11 and 7 will be cutted off 1 because it has been given. So 7 minus 1 is 6. So 6 will come here and 11 minus 8 is 3. So here I have changed this also. 5 has given one number here because 6 cannot be subtracted from 4. So 14 it will become. 14 minus 6 is 8 and 4 will come as it is. So here also you can see 40 minus 18. You cannot, so 8 cannot be subtracted from 0. So it has given one number here. So it will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2 and 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 has been written here. Now please see. Here also 84 minus 49. So 9 cannot be subtracted by 4. So 1 carry it has been taken. 14 it became. 14 minus 9 is 5. And here because it has given one number to this number, it will become 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. So 62 minus 17. So 7 cannot be subtracted by 2. So it has given one number to this number. So it became 12. 12 minus 5 is 6. So because it has given one number here, so it will become 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So now come to this one. 90 minus 39. So 9 cannot be subtracted by 0. So this 9 has given 110 to here. So it has become 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. And it will become 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. So moving to the next one. 72 minus 17. So 7 cannot be subtracted from 2. So 7 has given 1 carry to this number and it became 12. 12 minus 7 is 5 and it will become 6. 6 minus 5. 1 is 5. So I hope that you have understood this. Next time we'll go through more of subtraction. We will see the word problem, number stories, green hand drives, and checking subtraction with addition, mental maths, and we'll do more and more activities in this chapter. So up to page number 37 we have completed. I hope that you will complete the work in your maths book by this video in your own maths book. Please try to complete all your work and stay at home, stay safe, use the mask and see the ad of Dettol हराएंगे and दोहराएंगे मुश्किल बड़ी हिम्मत हम दिखाएंगे. So please vote, please see this ad and wash your hands frequently, wear a mask when you go out, use sanitizers and eat the food which has been prepared by your mother especially for you with love, and it is very clean. We all believe that when our mother cooks the food for us, it is very hygienic because she is much more careful than us. She knows that what is good, what is the best for our children. So pay respect to your parents and may God bless you and your family and stay safe.